Hi! This video will demonstrate how to enable peer evaluation on Rolljak. In the live session on the Activity Builder, go to the evaluation phase. Turn on the peer evaluation. You will be given 3 metric options to rate the responses. Scales. Participants will be scoring responses based on certain metrics. Click on the Scales library to choose a pre-built one, or you can personalize your own scale by clicking on Create Scale. Invest. Participants rate the responses using a sum of money based on how much they think the idea is worth. You can increase the amount in each participant's wallet. The maximum amount is 10,000. Tags. Participants assign ideas to categorize participants' answer. Select the option on the tag library, or you can create a new tag that matches your activity. You can either allow participants to create tags or assign multiple tags per evaluation. When you click on Advanced Settings, you can enable Evaluate Collaborated Ideas to allow participants to rate the ideas they contributed to. However, this setting is optional. By enabling peer evaluation, you can foster critical thinking among your participants, spark meaningful discussions, and provide instant feedback. So don't miss out on the benefits of peer evaluation. Get rolling with Rolljak!